Good afternoon, viewers. Good afternoon, our dear customers, and everyone watching us, following us on our YouTube channel. This is Easy Price Travel. And like we've been giving the updates, and we've seen that things are changing rapidly. And from today, 24th May, most things have also changed from. And also, all the forms that are needed or required for passengers to fill, we are going to explain how to fill those forms. The reason why we want to explain or show to our passengers how to fill those forms is that we have a lot to do. We cannot fill in the forms for everybody. So please take your time to watch these videos or these videos that explain how to fill in these forms. The one that is interesting to you or that you want to know, just click on the video and watch the video carefully and follow suit in filling in the passenger locator form or any forms that we are going to be explaining. Well, in this video today, we'll explain first how to fill in the form of validating your PCR test result. We explained the other time that your PCR test, after you've taken the PCR test result, you need to validate the result when it is out. How do you do that? We are going to explain that in this video. So we are going to explain the Ghana validation of the PCR test. So if you are going to Ghana now, what do you need? Well, you need your document, obviously, your passport and your ticket. That is obviously. But with that, you also need your PCR test performed in the last 72 hours. That is your negative PCR test. Remember, PCR test. Then you need also your to book in the PCR test that you do in Ghana. You have to pay it before departure. You have to pay also that. And then you need to fill in the PLF, the passenger locator form or health declaration for Ghana. And then the fourth thing you need is this validation of your PCR test that you do in your departure country. So we are going to see the fourth one now, how to fill in the validation of PCR tests where you are departing from. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to share my screen with you. I'm going to share my screen, okay? And when I share my screen, you will see everything. The website to go is globalheaven.org. Okay, this is the website where you will go to validate your PCR test of departure. Well, this is applicable for now only to Ghanaians. Only to Ghanaians that this is applicable for now. So when you enter the website, this is the website, you go to begin validation. You start with begin validation. Okay, give it a minute. My computer is a little bit slow today. And the information we are going to fill in here is just an assumption. We are going to presume everything we are filling in might not be accurate. But when you are doing yours, it must be accurate, else it will not be validated. So the first thing to do is to create an account. So you need to create an account on how to fill in your passenger, how to validate your PCR test. So you begin with creation of an account. If you have an account before, then you need to put in your username, if not your email, and then you put in the password that you've done before. Let's assume you don't have an account. If you don't have an account, then we need to go to sign up here, not sign in, because sign in is when you are registered already. So for you to validate it, you need to first register on this website. So you go to sign up because you don't have an account. We sign up, then you put your name, let's assume Collins, and then your last name, which is your surname, Ajayi, and then your email address. Okay, let's assume I'm putting an email address. Okay, this is let's assume my email address, and then your phone number. You need to choose your code, the code of your number. Let's assume it's from Italy. Okay, and then here you put your phone number. Okay, and then you choose a password. Okay, so after you choose the password, you fill in your name, your surname, your email address, and then you choose the code of your phone, and then your password. After choosing your password, you go to sign up. Okay, so here I signed in already, so we need to change the phone number. Okay, let me just change my phone number and put another number. Okay, and then put the password again. Sign up. Okay, name. Last name. Okay. All right. Die code. We said Italy. The phone number is there, and then we say sign up. Email address. Okay. And then sign up. You sign up, and then what happens? They will send you a OTP number. OTP number is they will send you this to your email. So what you do is just go to your email, open your email. Okay, so in this case, the password or the code was sent to, it went to spam. So if you don't find the code in your inbox, then you go to spam, you can find the code there. So here is the code. So we just need to copy the code. You copy the code, and then you put it in your verification code number, OTP. So we click on verify. Okay, here it gives me error, probably because there was a space here, so there shouldn't be any space within the line. So you verify the code. So in this process now, they are verifying the email if the email I put is correct. So you see, this is also one reason why we cannot be filling it for everybody, because for you to fill it, you need an email. So you should have your own email. If you don't have one, it's time for you to create one. So now we are logged in. We are logged in and we go to validate test. Go to validate test. In the validate test, which is the next page, now it's time for us to start filling in the validation. So you choose the country. The country is in Italy. Sorry, country. And then you go to departure country. Let's assume we are moving from Italy. You choose Italy. Destination country, we put Ghana. We say for now, Ghana is the one requesting this validation. So we click on next, click on next, and then you need to select the lab where you did your test. So if the lab is not among the list here, then you choose at any other lab. Okay, so when you choose that, now you need to add the lab where you do your test to the program. Okay, so we choose first we check if the lab is among the list. Airport lab, this one is in Ghana, Accra. You choose wherever it is in it. First, you can type in here. Let's assume I did my test in Italy. And I just try to put IT, and I cannot see my lab. And let's say my lab is butterfly lab. You put butterfly. Okay, here it is. Butterfly lab, Italy. So you choose butterfly lab SRL, Italy. And then if the lab is not there, you can create it on it, okay? You can go to here. You fill in the name of the lab here, the country of the lab, you select it, the address of the lab, and then you continue. But in this case, we have the lab already inserted in the program. Okay, it's there because I inserted or I put in this butterfly lab. So they confirm it and they approved the lab. So if your lab is not among the list, then you can enter the lab name here, the country, and then the address here. After that, you need to add your PCR test. So how does it work? If you are using the mobile phone, so you should have a file of your PCR test in your phone, and then you can download it. In this case, let's assume I'm using, I want to add a PCR test from my computer. So I choose here, and then let's say I put this reflector. Okay, I've just uploaded one of the PCR tests, and then after that we need to also fill in the airline we are going to use. Which airline are you using? Let's assume I'm using Turkish airline. You put Turkish, the seat number. Then you need to check in to get your seat number, the flight number. Let's assume I'm using TK629 to Ghana. And then you put your passport number. Let's say YB6895623. So note that this is not a precise information that I just put in here, like the passport, the airline number, or the seat number. Is just an example, okay? And then after that, you save. When you save, it gives you the QR code here. So when you get the QR code, you download it, and then you add it to the other 3 documents that we mentioned. You remember the three documents? Your PCR test, aside your passport, your ticket of flying, your PCR test, your booking of COVID test in Ghana, your passenger locator form or health declaration, and your QR code, which is the validation of your PCR test carried out in your country of departure. So these four things are required for you to depart to travel to Ghana, else they will not permit you to travel to Ghana. So remember, this QR code is very important. If you know it's difficult for you, you can always call on us, Easy Price Travel, for assistance. Or you can follow the videos that we are posting on YouTube to see how this is being done. If you want us to also explain it in other languages, such as Twi, such as Italy, French, please feel free to let us know by commenting on the videos on YouTube. Well, for now, this is the information on this video on how to download or to validate your PCR tests. We are going to be doing short videos because some people complain that they cannot watch a lengthy video. 1 hour is too much. So we'll do it briefly and shortly so that everybody can be able to watch the video that is interesting or interested to them. For now, this is it. And I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to share it because you don't know who might need it. And don't forget to put a thumbs up for us because we are doing a great job. And if you've not subscribed, it doesn't cost anything. Just press the subscribe button so that whenever we upload videos like this, it will automatically highlight you or give you a bell that we've posted something new. Once again, we want to thank you so much for watching and following us, Easy Price Travel channel. Thank you.